Hello friends, I am astrologer Vikas Malhotra and I welcome all of you to my channel. Sometimes, in spite of our best efforts, we are unable to deal with the big problems of life. Even though it is not always possible to control all our problems, we can negate the influence of some problems through following Lal Kitab remedies. These remedies are simple to perform, but they have many deep rooted implications. If you are able to take specific consultation based on specific planetary combinations of your horoscope, Lal Kitab remedies can work wonders for you. For the benefit of all people associated with us, I am sharing some simple Lal Kitab remedies that can make life much easier for you. For benefit of all, I am sharing some remedies for different purposes. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, I would request you to please subscribe it and push notification bell also, so that you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. If you know Hindi language, please do subscribe our Lal Kitab Astro Center channel, where we regularly share videos on different topics and different festivals. First of all, I am discussing a simple remedy for solving your work related problems. If you feel that any of your work is stuck up and in spite of your best efforts, you are unable to complete it, try this simple remedy. Simply donate a bowl of basmati rice on a Wednesday to a needy person. If you are facing financial crunch, it may be at your home or it may be at your business place, take some red chandan, some petals of red rose, one rolly string, and rupees 58, and place them on a red cloth. Tie up everything together and keep it at a place where you keep your money. It may be your office locker, tijori, or at a place where you regularly keep your money. You will see that money has started flowing in. There are many people who are suffering from failures in business. For success in your business, place 5 lemons along with a fist of black pepper seeds and mustard seeds each in your shop or area of work. You should do this remedy in the evening, preferably on a Friday. The next morning, that is Saturday, tie all the material in a black cloth and leave it along a lonely road, or simply flow it in a river. While coming back to your home, don't turn your back and look back. All your problems will get solved. There are many couples who continue to fight. I am sharing one tried and tested Lal Kitab remedy for this purpose. The best option is to book a specific consultation based on your planetary combinations, because in that case, remedy is suggested based on your running dasha and other combinations. But for the benefit of all people, I am sharing one remedy. You can try this remedy. If you get some relief from this remedy, you can book specific consultation that will work wonders for you. at the time of sleeping, if you are facing problem of continuous fight with your partner, at the time of sleeping, place some camphor on the wife side of the bed, that is below the pillow, and place some sindoor on man's side of bed, that is below his pillow. In the next morning, throw away red sindoor out of the house and lit camphor. Keep doing this till you and your partner are able to solve your problems. If the problems have exaggerated a lot and there is a possibility of divorce, that is, couple is headed for a split, then try another remedy also. Take a banyan tree leaf and write the name of both husband and wife on it with a chandan stick. Next, dip the leaf in some Ganga Jal and keep it in the bedroom of couple. Replace this leaf every week till the time you see some positive changes. There are many people who have strained relationships with their boss. If you are facing problems with your senior at work, take a white colored cloth and with black kajal write the name of your superior at work. Keep this cloth in your office for some time. After some time, you will see a change in the behavior of your boss or superior, and your working relationship will also improve. For best results, take a specific consultation so that more remedies can be suggested to you. If you are facing the problems of money, then take 22 people leaves on a Tuesday. While sitting in east direction, write the name Shri Ram on each peepal tree. Post this, offer these leaves at the footsteps of Lord Hanuman. This has to be offered on a Tuesday. Maybe it may be the same Tuesday or it may be next Tuesday. Soon you will see your money woes would start disappearing. If you have lot of debt, then in Shukla Paksh, take some flour mixed with jaggery and offer it to Lord Hanuman. Within few weeks of doing this, you will be able to pay off your debt without having to make a special effort for the same. If you are suffering from some discord in your family, if you have too much discord in your family, then instead of buying flour, that is atta, from a store, get the same ground at your local kirana or grocery store. Do this on a Saturday and also make sure that you add some black chickpeas, that is kala chana, to the mixture before you give it for grinding, or alternatively, once you grind the flour, you can mix some black chickpeas atta in it. This will help you in stopping all arguments and discords and will help you in leading a happy life. So friends, I have shared some remedies which everyone can do. Please try these remedies. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe our channel also. And for specific consultation, you can book appointment at our websites. The link of our websites is given in the description box. Thank you, friends.